hope you all are having a pleasant day. So for those of you who don't know, every year on the 21st of June, people come together to celebrate the International Yoga Day. On this reverberating day, a day that has created a landmark in itself, I, Shreya Chitari, would like to give you guys a few insights on it with a quote. Yoga is the golden key that unlocks the door to peace, tranquility and joy. Yoga is the journey of discovering the self. It is an ancient and beautiful practice that started in India and now is done all over the world. It is linked to the different aspects, namely spiritual, physical and mental. It calms and relaxes your body. It makes you fit and healthy. Practicing yoga has various benefits and I'll tell you about it. Yoga is not just a physical exercise where the person twists, turns, stretches and breathes, but it helps the entire body. If you have mastered the postures of yoga, you can help your entire body become better. Through the regular practice of yoga, you can develop immunity and flexibility as well. With better immunity, you can live a better and disease-free life. In some cases, it is also seen that yoga has helped people get recovered from problems such as diabetes, high cholesterol, muscle problems and many more. Adopt yoga and feel the calmness, happiness and relaxation that you are searching for in this stressful life. Let me conclude with what was said in the Bhagavad Gita that says that yoga is for the self, through the self, to the self. Finally, let's have a glimpse into how Rainbow International School celebrated International Yoga Day.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Sanskriti and today we are going to talk about International Yoga Day. So every year on June 21st, we celebrate International Yoga Day all over the world to spread awareness about the importance and impact of yoga on our health. So, what is yoga all about? Yoga is essentially a spiritual and physical discipline based on the extremely subtle science. It uses breathing techniques, exercising and meditation, which focuses to bring peace and harmony between the mind, body and soul. So let's talk about some of the benefits of yoga. Yoga improves health and happiness, concentration, strength, balance and flexibility. It gives you immunity, energy, brightens your mood and even protects you from various kinds of diseases. It helps you to manage your stress and relaxes you. So let's talk about the history of yoga. Yoga was being originated from the Indian subcontinent in the Indus Saraswati civilization before 5,000 years ago, and the performers of yoga in the past were known as yogis. The word yoga was being originated from the Sanskrit word yoga, meaning union and discipline. The word yoga was being mentioned in many sacred texts like Rig Veda. The followers of Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism practiced yoga, but today people started practicing modern yoga that has been invented by Patanjali. Yoga does not only help you to maintain a healthy lifestyle but also helps us to discover our inner energy called the 7 chakras. There are specific yoga asanas for each of the chakras which will help you to attain this energy. There are many yoga asanas in this world like Dhanurasana, Surya Namaskar, Vajrasan, Uttarasana, etc. I am going to show you 4 of them. So this is called Padmasana, which will help you to calm your mind. So this is called as Uttanasana. It will improve your digestion. It's called as Chakrasana. It will give our lungs more oxygen. Finally, this is called as Halasana. It helps to stimulate the abdominal organs and thyroid glands. So I suggest that we all should do yoga daily. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Happy Yoga Day to you all. Today I am going to be showing you 2 yoga poses that you could perform. The first yoga pose is the Virabhadrasana, also called the warrior pose. Make sure that when you are doing this pose, you are maintaining your breath. That's it for the Virabhadrasana. Now the second pose we are going to do is the Bhujangasana, also known as the Cobra pose. Again, you have to maintain your breath while doing this pose. That was it for the Bhujangasana. Now you can perform both of these yogasanas 3 times a day, and this will have a major effect on your body and you will feel fresh. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Udyan Reddy from grade 3A. Today I am going to show you few yoga asanas. First, Baddha Asana, butterfly pose. Second, Tadasana, tree pose. Third, Asana, triangle pose. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Hello everyone, I am Michael Dias. Today I am going to show you some yoga poses. Butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. Bring your feet together, back straight, and hold your hands to your toes and flap like a butterfly. Setu Bandha Sarvangasana or bridge pose. Lie down on your back, fold your knees, lift your back up and hold, and then slowly come down. Vitanasana or cat pose. Bend your knees, keep your hands flat, look straight and bend your back and hold. Then look down and arch your back. Thank you. Hello everybody, I am Kaira Kutyum from 2B. Today on World Yoga Day, I will show you some asanas. This asana is called pranayama. Now I will show you Bhujanga Asana. Thank you and happy Yoga Day.
Namaskar. Today I am going to show you 3 asanas. First is Vriksha Asana. Second is Urdhva Mukha Asana. Third is Setu Bandha Asana. धन्यवाद.
Good morning, respected teachers and dear friends. My name is Advika Arun Fourth, Utkatasana. Fifth, Vrikshasana. Thank you. नमस्कार, मैं अनिका गौतम कक्षा 2 की छात्रा कुछ योग आसन करूंगी। पहला आसन वज्र आसन। दूसरा आसन तितली आसन। तीसरा आसन पद्मासन लोटस पोज। चौथा और आखिरी आसन शवासन। धन्यवाद।
Awesome, wasn't it? I hope you all enjoyed the video and the way Rainbow International School presented it.